Hi, Rick here again. Today we're going to do the APU download procedure on a Legacy 600. This procedure will also work for our Embraer shuttles. And what we'll start with, we need a laptop. And we will need an APU download cable, which we will hook up to the APU FADEC and the laptop. Okay, step one, we want to hook up the APU cable to the FADEC. So we want to make sure there's no power on the FADEC. You can see it's turned off. We don't have a display here. And here's our COM port. We'll take the protective cap off and we'll hook up our APU download cable on this end. On the other end of the cable, we want to hook it up to our laptop serial port. Here's our readout on the APU FADEC. It'll come up and give you the serial number, it'll give you the starts, and it will give you the hours. It'll also give you active faults if there is any, which we happen to have none. And it will give you the stored faults. And we have none of those. Okay, to get started on our download, we're going to double click on the Smart Terminal icon. And this will open up our program. Okay, we can close the warnings. And here we have our main window. So here we can find different things. We can go to software hardware version and go to APU configuration. Double click on that. You can see the serial number, hours, and starts. Another way to do that. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to NVM history. So we double click on that, and then we want to save all the buffers. And then we'll hit next. So like we mentioned before, we want to go CSV. That's the ones we're going to use to send into Pratt & Whitney. Formatted text is an easier way to read it, and raw data is what we used to send to Hamilton Sunstrand. So we hit next, and here's our 4 different files we're going to have. They're going to be located in the Smart Terminal Data folder under our C drive. So we hit next, and then we hit start. And then we have a progress on each buffer. And we just let that roll until it hits finish. Okay, here we are. It comes up as finished. So we come back down here and we click the finish. Okay, we'll exit out. Okay, now we're at our Smart Terminal Data window on the C drive. You can see over on the left. And in there we have the APS 500R. Double click on that. So we look at the date today. 3:30, and these 4 right here are our 4 that we just recorded. So these are what we'd send to Pratt & Whitney.